We're starting off very windy on your Thursday. You will notice that today. Gusts 40 miles per hour. We have a wind advisory for much of Oklahoma, up to the north, up to the northeast, and we're not seeing quite as windy conditions today in the west, but it's still going to be breezy. And with the winds picking up in December, when we have all the dormant vegetation, the fire danger is always more of a concern. The winds are going to howl through the Rocky Mountains today in advance of that storm system that's approaching from the west. See all the advisories going up now. It's going to be a windy day before it gets here, and it's going to be a windy day as it passes by tomorrow through your Saturday. 46 degrees is our current temperature on our Lucky Star Skycam network. 40s and 50s currently. We've got south winds gusting at times 15 to 25 miles per hour. Temps are in the 30s and the 40s, and today we're talking hour by hour. 53 at 9, 62 by noon, up to 68 degrees is how mild we will be. Some 70s in western Oklahoma is what we're expecting. And here's your wind timeline. Winds gusting by the time we get to lunchtime, 35 to 40. They'll be sustained at about 25 to 30 miles per hour, where you have the red on the map. That's our windiest conditions, which does include the metro. Winds start to taper off a little bit this afternoon, but it's still gusty, still windy tonight. And then tomorrow, a southwest wind picks up for a while, not as strong as what it will be today. Then the cold front blasts in by tomorrow evening, and we're turning much cooler for your weekend. There's the storm system coming in now. The spin is making its way onto the coast of Northern California, coming into Washington and Oregon, and it's going to come down across the Rockies. Ahead of it tomorrow, near record highs. First storm moves on by, will bring us a chance of snow in the Panhandle for your weekend, maybe storms to the east. And the second storm, the one we've been talking about for next week, tries to cut off from the main jet stream. If that happens, that's significantly going to change the forecast for Oklahoma, because a cutoff low kind of meanders around. Latest data this morning means the Arctic front doesn't get pulled in with that system, so the end of next week may not be quite as cold. Lows tonight, definitely not cold. We're talking 50s overnight tonight, close to record warm lows. 30s back to the west. There is a chance for some pretty dense fog along the warm front tonight from Enid to Ponca City, possibly some drizzle setting up, not uncommon along a surface low for that to happen. Tomorrow making it into the 70s, upper 70s in southern Oklahoma versus 50s in the northwest. Slight chance of thunderstorms. Most of Oklahoma stays dry with this storm system. If we get any severe weather, it looks to be mainly in the far southeast, and the best chance of rain is tomorrow night off into far southeastern Oklahoma, with a very slight chance of that wintry mix making its way into the northwest. The snow accumulation will be in the far Panhandle. We're dry into your weekend, and we're talking a chance for a cold rain into the end of next week. And that's your 9-day. We're back right after this.